Not bad. I actually had to go fast to catch up with you guys. I actually had to go fast to catch up to Emma. Good job. Wow. Yeah, she's getting more and more comfortable now. Careful, careful.
Hold on tight, then you're good. It's our turn.
Soon, no hands.
No.
Okay, so where do we go from here?
On the bike there. Yeah, we have to follow the yeah.
To the right side, across the street?
Yeah, I'm heading the same direction.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see. I see the bike lane right there. There. Okay.
Have to follow this one.
Okay.
Oh, excellent.
We've been all over the place.
Thank you.
Piano lesson at the VSO.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
We were downtown. You know that it's the like what's behind the.
Stay on the right, Here. Cypress. Go there first. Go there first.
Yeah, wait.
Get out of the way.
Yeah. Va sur le... Yeah, perfect.
Here, right? The Cypress. Oh, look at these leaves. Oh, we're pretty much there. Okay, stop for now, stop for now. Oh, what's that? Oh, fresh.
Oh, okay, buzzer, perfect. Say okay.
All right.
Okay, perfect. Ok, viens avec maman après. Viens.
So is that for the bikes there? No. We go straight down here, Cypress.
Oh, I see some ice cream. So this is Cypress Community Gardens now.
We just go straight there. So we have the HelloFresh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, it's delivered in your place?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, so the one that bus most likely is HelloFresh.
BB mama.
Oh,
damn.
She's gonna go away. She was just smelling your parfum.
Oh, yeah.
Go. Wow. Anna, laisse Rana y aller devant toi.
Yeah, this one's a busy street. Careful with this one here. Yeah, we just go pretty much straight. Yeah.
You go straight.
So cool. Emma's in the lineup now.
Yeah.
So cool. Okay, go, Em.
Maman est derrière toi, papa est derrière maman.
Maybe one of us should go in front of her because I want to block traffic.
Okay.
So she's using her brakes. That's good. Oh, we're pretty much there already. Yeah, stay behind Mommy, Em. I'll be behind you. Okay, ready? Okay, go. Go with Mommy. Go. That one goes to the bridge.
No, the Cypress, no, this, the other one goes to Grandma Island.
Oh, I see, okay.
So That one, because I could see that. That one used to be on the island already.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so we're just gonna go straight.
I go to the bridge, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight here because the beach is pretty much here already.
We're at the beach already?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh! Oh, that's fun.
Okay, go. You lost your chain? Yeah, go on the side. You lost your chains? Yeah, let's wait here. Good job, Emma. Wow. I wasn't sure if you could make it. She actually did.
Good.
We're on the side. This is actually not a bad bike. Yours is more for city, really. That could go fast.
Yeah.
Let's get on my bikes.
Okay. Oh, is the camera facing?
Huh?
Is that camera facing everywhere?
Facing your and facing me.
Oh, okay. Oh, they don't smell. They're sure pretty.
Yeah.
Should yank some.
Oh, behind you. Let's go here. Oh, this car. There's a car.
Where does that one go to?
Another part of the beach.
That probably goes to the planetarium.
Planetarium, yeah.
So we should go down.
Yeah, here. The park is here. The playground.
Where's Emma?
It's okay. I'm behind her. Oh, look at that. That's the beach.
Emma,
Watch out for bikers. Yeah, we could use this one later on. We'll use this one later on going that way. Go up. There's the playground.
C'est bon, baby.
Last time we went here, Emma was in tow. She was in the trailer.
That's the road I wanted to take.
Maybe you could take a quick video for Johnny.
Yes.
I wonder if Ben has his bike too. Yeah. Where are they going? Oh, that's where they're going. Okay.
Yeah, but I love the key.
You got all the bikes, yeah? Yeah?
Figure out how to put this in here. Is that getting it?
Didn't we get a lock?
We have to buy one this summer, babe.
Didn't we get a lock? I thought we had a lock before.
No. I had one, but the guy needed to cut it because I lost the key and it was along, like from Quebec, so
You had one?
yeah, but I lost the key.
You got all the bikes, yeah?
Where's the kids?
It's right there. Going in the small slide now,
Okay.
in front of the screen.
Hey, no, put yours the opposite side.
Huh?
Put yours the opposite side.
Yeah, just with the, the back. Yeah, the back.
Oh, sorry.
The back. No, opposite.
Oh, in the front, yeah.
Front.
okay.
Yes.
It's gonna work. Just the front tire should be okay, right? People can't leave without the front tire, right?
Exactly.
Oh yeah, if If mine,
know how
if,
that's a zigzag though.
if mine and Heidi's are, yeah, we need a lock like that.
Yeah.
There's no, just both of theirs. Or else you become confusing with that.
So, we made it here. Both of our tires is probably good enough.
There's lots of room here, Richard.
Oh, there's okay, it could reach it. There's actually long.
No,
Okay.
my fingers doesn't fit in there.
The lock is actually long enough.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Wow.
It's my water bottle.
Yeah, I have my water bottle in my bag.
Here were those two wet.
So, the problem now is how do we get back? So maybe you and Emma could take the
We can
bus.
give them the key of the house, so you can even go and wait.
Do you have the key of the house?
I think yes.
Because I have the key. But like if you have the key, you could give it to them.
Yeah.
Because one of us could take the bus with Emma.
In case.
Yeah. That was nice.
Here.
Look at them, they are so cool.
What do you guys want? Feel like eating?